Alright. What's up, guys? I bet you've always wondered, do cats like microgreens? Alright. What's up, guys? I bet you've always wondered, do cats like microgreens? Today, we're gonna find out. Check it out. Come here, kitty. Eat the microgreens. Come on, you want the microgreens? Yeah. That's broccoli. You want to eat it? You want it? What about you? You want some? Just thinking about it. Just thinking about it. Come on, you want that? Eat it. Eat it. It'll stop cancer. I don't know. Looks like that's a small cat. Short answer, no, cats do not like microgreens.